Daniel and Sakura. Ready?
He gets to punch you back because you
Checkmate.
No checkmate. We're gonna smash the Slush puppy.
Kenyatta!
We're gonna smash the Slush puppy.
Okay.
Smash it.
Oh, I love this stuff.
Oh god, it's frozen.
It's frozen.
This was the one who punched you in the nuts.
Drink it and put it in the
You
microwave.
haven't finished my team.
Just leave it out in the sun.
Okay.
Drink all of it and then put it in the microwave and see what happens.
Smash it.
FYI.
Are you recording?
It's a Slush puppy. Oh God. I kind of went. Ready?
Oh my gosh, what the heck?
Are you recording?
Yes, I am. I am recording.
Are you gonna post this on YouTube?
Yes. Does your mom not want you to be on YouTube?
Wow.
I don't know how. Jesse, we're gonna smash this Slush
Trying to
puppy.
kill the slush puppy. Hold on.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
team? Oh my gosh!
You guys are trying to kill this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we are trying to kill it, Jesse.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you make it? Yeah, it was.
This is gonna.
These guys
Are you
want-
recording?
Yes.
Is this on YouTube?
Yes.
People on the internet.
All right. We are trying to destroy.
Slush puppy.
Okay,
Let me get a smash in. Ready? Nothing should survive that. Jesse, give me a smash.
Okay, here. Try it.
We start with a simple drop.
The most effective thing
We
is to
smash it with your butt. Why is that so?
We did it!
We did it.
Success! And now victory.
Now my foot hurts.
Now time for a victory. Throw it at the tree.
Oh.
Screw you.